Today, I'm going to be talking about whether you can use Lunar Bank abroad. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before we get into the details of using Lunar Bank abroad, let's take a quick look at what Lunar Bank is. Lunar Bank is a digital bank that offers a range of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Can you use Lunar Bank abroad? The short answer is yes, you can use Lunar Bank abroad. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Currency: Lunar Bank only supports GBP and Euro. So, if you're traveling to a country that uses a different currency, you'll need to convert your money before you go. Fees: Lunar Bank charges fees for using your card abroad. These fees vary depending on the country you're in and the type of transaction you're making. Exchange rates: Lunar Bank uses its own exchange rates, which may not be the best available. You may want to compare rates before making a transaction. How to use Lunar Bank abroad? Using Lunar Bank abroad is easy. All you need to do is activate international payments in your app. Once you've done that, you can use your Lunar Bank card or app to make payments abroad. Tips for using Lunar Bank abroad. Here are a few tips for using Lunar Bank abroad. Be aware of the fees. As I mentioned earlier, Lunar Bank charges fees for using your card abroad. Make sure you're aware of these fees before you make a transaction. Compare exchange rates. Lunar Bank uses its own exchange rates, which may not be the best available. You may want to compare rates before making a transaction. Use your card wisely. Lunar Bank cards are contactless, so you can make payments without having to enter your PIN. This can be convenient, but it also means that your card is more vulnerable to fraud. Be sure to keep your card safe and only use it in trusted locations. Overall, Lunar Bank is a great option for people who want to use a digital bank abroad. However, there are a few things to keep in mind before you sign up. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about using Lunar Bank abroad, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.